Hey guys, I'm here at Pride Park Stadium in Derby for 2 complete days of training with all of the Ethical Property Partner franchisees. Now this post is going to be short, but I want it to motivate you. I want it to kick you up the backside and get you to take action over the next few weeks when the rest of the world are winding down. How much time are you going to spend sat on the sofa, eating what you shouldn't be eating, drinking what you shouldn't be drinking, staying up late watching movies? Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't do any of that, but over the next 2 or 3 weeks, you have got so much time at your disposal that you should be investing in your sophisticated property investing business. That's what you should be doing. Our time is way more valuable than the money we have. And if you're sat there thinking, I haven't got as much money as I'd like, or I haven't got as much money as Frank's got, that's why I can't do the deals that Frank does. Absolute rubbish. The only resource that is finite is our time, and over the next few weeks, you're gonna have buckets and buckets of it. So what have we been doing here at Pride Park? Why have the guys flown over from Ireland? Why have they driven up from London? Why have they stayed overnight? We had our awards ceremony last night, awards galore. For one of our partners has done 15 deals in the last 12 months. That's phenomenal in a time when, you know, COVID brought the world to a stop, when investing wasn't possible or prices were too high to buy. Those are 15 below market value deals one of our partners did. We've got a new partner that in his first 15 months from when he started never invested in property before. This is Mike Prentice, who you've probably heard on the podcast, and if you haven't, go and listen to his episode. I interview him for the best part of an hour. He has done 15 transactions in his first 15 months on the EPP partnership, which is unbelievable, and he has flipped the majority of those to bring money in. And when I asked him how much money he is due to make in his next 12 months with deals he's already signed up, it's £1 million cash. And I laugh because it's unbelievable given where he was at. Just 2 years ago, Mike had a business selling advertising at places like this, advertising at sporting events which then all stopped during COVID, brought his business to a standstill, and so he came into the EPP family and he started investing in property, and now was winning an award for Best Starter of 2021. So what can you do over Christmas and New Year in order to make the best use of that time? Well, what the guys have been doing here is they've been sitting down and they've been looking at the last 12 months. What went well for you? What didn't go so well for you? What do you need to do differently moving forwards? What should you stop doing? What should you start doing? And if you put the time in now into planning 2022, into working out what your perfect week will look like in 2022, what time will you get up each morning? When will you focus on marketing in your business? When will you focus on transactions? When will you focus on refurbs? When will you focus on monetizing your properties? Those are the 4 pillars of your business. And if you're not familiar with the 4 pillars, go back and have a look at the video I did just a few months ago on what the 4 pillars of your business are and how you should be focusing your time, a quarter of your time into each of them. Over this Christmas break, you need to be working on your goals, working on your dream chart, and working on your 12-month plan for next year. If you want help with those, pop your questions in the comments, tell me what you want help with, and I will make more videos for you that you can watch in order to help you with that. Guys, 2022 can be an amazing year for you. You can do more deals, just like Mike Prentice, than you've ever done in your life, so long as you take action. And you only take the correct action if you've got the right plan in place. And you're only going to have the right plan in place if you put the time into writing that plan over Christmas and New Year. Until 2022.